Hey guys, and what's up? Welcome to iCode. So in this video we're going to be learning about if statements. Almost all programming languages has this if statement and of course Swift3. So let's see. Open up Xcode and create a new playground. And let's name this if stat, something like that, if statements, anything of your choice, and save this on desktop. And now say that you have got any app and there's a secret door in your app, and it has also got a secret code as well. And let's say the secret code something like var secret code, which is equal to iCode. Wow, iCode, that's great. And now if user enters correct code, the doors get open, otherwise it stay closed. And we need to implement that using if statement, and let's see how. Now let's create another variable, user entered code, something like that, entered code, and let this be empty for now. And let's give a space here. And now we start by saying if space user entered code is equal to secret code, and we put braces here, the flower brackets, and in here we're going to be typing the code. Like, what if user types, suppose if user types correct code, and what should this do, what should we do? And that part of code we're going to be writing in here, in this flower brackets here. So now it is showing some kind of error. What is that error? It's asking us to replace single equal to with double equal to. Why? And I'll explain you why. Single equal to does mean that we are putting some value into some variable. Like suppose let's say var variable, and if we put a single equal to and assign 5 to it, now what we are doing is we are putting this value of 5 to this variable, and now this variable will be containing the value of 5, as you can see here. So we use single equal to assign a value, like to put a value into some variable. So remember that we use single equal to assign a value or to put any value into a variable, and to check if some value is equal to other, we use double equal to, like in here. So what we are saying is if user entered code is exactly equal to secret code, do the part of code that has been typed in between these flower brackets. So we know what to do. If user entered code equal to secret code, we are going to print door open, door open. And what if user is wrong? We are going to say we'll be using else, and again flower brackets, and in here we are going to be saying print sorry you entered wrong code, and that is the reason here in the console we are getting sorry you entered the wrong code, because our user entered code is empty string, and that of course is not equal to secret code, and that is why we are getting this sorry you entered wrong code. And now what if this equals to iCode? Let's change this to iCode, and there you see the door open. So that is how if statements work. And of course you can use 2 or 3 if statements at a time, and I'll show you how. Suppose now you have got 3 doors and user has a secret code as well, only one secret code, and there are 3 doors, and he doesn't know absolutely which door opens for the secret code he has. And we are going to tell him what is the door that has a secret code that user has, and now we are going to implement that. and let's see how. So if now let's create okay, 3 doors for now. Code door 1, like the secret code for door 1, let it be Python, and code door 2, let it be Hacken, and let's give a space here. I don't know, it just looks nice. And code door 3, and let this be Swift. Now we have got 3 doors which has secret codes as Python, Hacking, and Swift. And now user has user code. He has, let it be empty for now, and now we are going to implement that, like if user code is equal to, use double equal to, don't forget that, equal to code door 1, we are going to be printing open first door. And now we'll be using else if, we are using if again, else if user code is equal to code door 2, we're going to print, oh sorry, open, sorry, second door. And here at the end we know that if these 2 doors doesn't open, it must be the third door. So here we'll be using else. If user code equal to code door 1, open the first door. Else if user code equal to code door 2, open the second door. Otherwise else print open door 3, I mean open third door. And why is this showing something? Yeah, now we're going to be using, so there's a small glitch here. If you see here, our user code is not at all equal to code door 2, and still we are opening the third door, because here we have used else. Instead, I think we must use else if user code is equal to code door 3, then open the third door. Now you see there is nothing in console. Wait a second, we have got something error. Yeah, we didn't use the bracket. And now see, okay, let's just get rid of this, and now we'll be seeing nothing in console because none of the codes matches with the user code. And let's see what happens if the user code is Python. Of course the first door gets open. And what if this is equal to Swift? Yeah, the third door gets open. So this is how we can use multiple if statements together. And also we can use if statements with Boolean. Suppose we have got something, a Boolean variable, bool variable, which is equal to true, and maybe some other variable, other Boolean variable, bool variable 2, which is equal to false. Okay, let's say true again. And here we're going to be saying if bool var, that is Boolean variable, if at all if this is equal to bool variable 2, then print both are equal. And now you see both are equal. And this is how we can implement for Booleans. So this is all about if statements. We're going to be using if statements in future videos and when we make apps. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another video.